I'm only tourist. No live Indonesia. Yes.
Please subscribe.
You also, okay?
Yes, yes.
नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप लोगों का नवी वीडियो में। टुडे आई एम इन ईस्ट कालीमंतान, इंडोनेशिया, बोर्नियो रेन फॉरेस्ट, one of the most ancient rainforest of our world. So welcome to Borneo, guys. This region is divided between Malay and Indonesia, and today we are going to one of the local island. We'll stay there one night and then we'll try to cross into Malaysia. So this is one of the last few days for me in Indonesia, and I'm in a very small local town called Tanjung Selor, and we will be taking ferry today, speedboat, to Tarakan. So welcome to the new vlog, guys. I hope you guys will enjoy. First, I'm starting my day just walking around and finding the food, and then it's 10 o'clock. Then we will head to boat area around by 11 or 12. They have informed me that there is boat until 4 or 5 p.m. So we are good. Let's go. So guys, this is the food. Rice in early morning. There was a time 10 years ago that I was not able to eat rice early, first thing in the morning. But then I got used to it after leaving Punjab, and there is coffee. Cheers. No. How much? Is okay?
Yeah.
150.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
From here, may I get
Guys, the speedboat is almost about to go, I think. It's 53. And this guy is saying, come, let's go. I hope the ticket is not a scam.
145. 100.
It's 145 for the ticket. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Guys, he was not giving me ticket. He was like, go. I said, no, you give me ticket first. So I got the ticket. Let's go now. Such a local area. Wow. I cannot tell. So much of local vibes. Guys, we are finally in the boat. This side is for the driver, for the captain, but he's not here right now. I feel such a local vibe. Jesus, after so long, past 10 days I was documenting festival and tribes. Now I feel like I'm back on my random plans, and I'm very happy about it. Guys, this is how the boat looks from inside, and Indonesia is completely, their main transport is like ferry and boats and ships. One of the main transports in the country, because it's an island nation, 17,000 island, and Borneo is quite famous for tourism. But I think there are still some of the places where people don't go for river cruise to spot the animals and go inside the rainforest. Those places are very local in the Borneo. So I'm in East Kalimantan, as I told you. Quite incredible. Wow. In the rural parts of Indonesia. India.
Oh, India. How long you have been in?
Uh, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
It's been long. Wonder with pay. Oh, I'm subscribed here.
Okay, I will
Okay,
put this
subscribe.
video. Thank you.
you.
Yes.
Subscribe.
You also, okay?
Yes.
Guys, Indonesia is amazing. I love this country so much. Yeah. Okay. I write.
Your followers?
Yeah. Not too much. Only small.
Berapa followernya?
611 ribu.
Hah?
611 ribu.
Wow, amazing.
Is good?
Amazing, it's good.
Wow, guys.
Wow.
Okay. It's me. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Oke, terima kasih banyak.
Okay. You captain? No.
Hah?
Who driving?
No,
You?
yes.
Okay.
Captain.
Okay.
It's Captain.
Let's go. Did our journey to Tarakan from Tanjung Selor to Tarakan. After a long time living like a locals, I'm enjoying. This is our captain for today. Hello.
Hello.
You from Kalimantan?
Yes.
Okay, nice. This is right now river. You can see we are crossing through river right now, but later it goes into ocean also. So that side after 20-30 minutes is ocean. I'll show you on the map. Amazing. Guys, this was too fast. Only 1.5 hours and we have reached Tarakan. Only 1.5 hours exactly, and it was on time. Even in India, we should learn to move on time. Imagine in Indonesia, even boat is going on time. India, we should learn. We should learn from Indonesia at least. My bags are outside. These are my bags. I have to take now. Wait. Oh. Now I think I will ask for ticket to Malaysia, the voucher. So we have to do our journey tomorrow, and then rest we see later. Oh, after a long time traveling like this, like a local. Last was in Madagascar in the month of May. Okay. Bye bye. See you next time. Guys, boat was on time even in the local area. Wow. I am so surprised. I buy tickets first. Guys, I don't know where to buy tickets. It says departure this side, arrival that side. But where is the ticket counter? After that, maybe I can go Tawau. Ticket? This one, okay. So, I had to take a very crazy decision. We are going to Nunukan, but I will give you update in 2 minutes. Whew. So guys, this is the ticket for Nunukan. It's 280. That means almost 18 or $20 for ticket speedboat. And very crazy scene. Actually, I have already paid for the hotel in Tarakan, $9. But I was like, okay, let the $9 go away. Because if I take morning ferry, I have to stop and sleep at Nunukan again, which I don't want to do. So we have to go Nunukan right now. It was like a random decision, but I had to take it. No other way. So, but it doesn't look like. So I had to take one crazy decision. Even though my hotel is paid in Tarakan, I paid almost $10, but I was like, okay, let the $10 go, because ferry from Nunukan to Malaysia is morning 10 o'clock, and ferry from Tarakan to Nunukan is morning 7 o'clock from here, which will reach at 10, and the other ferry will already be gone. So
Hello, Mrs.
hello.
Hello, Mrs.
Juice? No juice?
Terus jangan
Juice.
So guys, we are going now Nunukan after wasting our $10. But if I would have went tomorrow, I would have to sleep at Nunukan, spend one more day, and then take another day ferry. So, but anyways, we'll get update after we reach there. So now Tanjung Selor to Tarakan, Tarakan to Nunukan. Guys, I got iced tea. This is so famous in Indonesia. You get everywhere. But I will be so hungry. This was like 7,000 rupiah. Terima kasih. Let's go. Oh, 3 hours to Nunukan. I'll be tired. No food, nothing. We just have to go. That's it. Oh. Guys, we have entered the ocean area. So this side is all ocean now. The river is finished. And it's 2 or 3 hour journey. We started at 2 p.m. I will update when we will reach Nunukan. So let's go. Guys, we reached Nunukan. It took us 2 hours 30 minutes. Oof. Let's go. I have to book hotel also, and then online is cheaper. Usually in Indonesia and Southeast Asian countries, Thailand, Malaysia, you should use booking.com and Agoda. Usually it comes with little bit discount. But if you go directly, they take a little more. This is the ferry terminal. But before that, we should buy even ticket. So let's go and buy ticket.
Nih, jalan ke sana. Mana pula? Nah. Yes.
1 kilometer
You can go with me.
with you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's go. Guys, I want to buy a ticket for Tawau because tomorrow maybe it's full already.
Yeah.
So we have to go to another port to buy.
ojek kah? Ojek bawa.
Let's go. Okay. No problem. भाई इन जनाब ने बोला है कि ये मेरे को टिकट काउंटर तक ले जाएंगे. ये डोमेस्टिक फेरी पोर्ट है.
Yeah, since domestic.
Yeah, domestic, yeah. We have to go to the one with immigration.
Can...
Yeah. Yes, ticket. So the local guys, they gave me the lift. They dropped me to this port. And now we have to buy the ticket. this is the international ferry terminal for international border crossing to Malaysia, and it will be, I think, my first time to cross in a ferry, in a boat from one country to another. I don't remember crossing in a ferry before, did I? I cannot remember. I think this is my first time. So let's hope ticket is available for tomorrow. Hello. Ticket?
Tiket.
Oh,
Please biol
Tawau, Tawau.
tawa no. Tomorrow morning.
But I want to buy ticket.
Oh.
Where?
Tomorrow morning departure in Tawau.
Guys, I don't see ticket counter. This is hello. Wait, let me close the camera first. Now this person, he came and he's saying I'll give you ticket now. I hope it's a real ticket. Let's see. Because tomorrow it can be full and it can be risky. I don't know. The other guy was like, Inshallah, no full. Huh? Wow. So guys, this is the ticket counter. You can see.
Bahagia.
Kapal, Lot, Nunukan, Tawau.
Ah,
Tawau is in Malaysia.
bahagia.
Bhagya, yeah. Okay, let's go. What time?
Passport. Kosong 9.
9.
Ya.
9.
Yeah.
Morning. Sub.
Oh, India.
Yeah, India.
India.
How much?
Yes, photo.
Rupiah.
Ya.
Yeah. 3,50,000 की है, मतलब almost 1,800 रुपए. So, but the journey is, I think, only 1 hour. For 1 hour, it's like 1,800. So expensive. But I think they have to pay international tax to the government on both sides. That's why.
Tiket?
Besok?
Open.
Open. Okay.
Besok ganti tiket. Ganti dulu. Ah,
Besok, eh?
ya, besok ini tiket ganti.
Okay. Besok.
Ya.
Tomorrow. It is for 350. I will put on the screen how much this is in dollars. I personally think it's around 1,600 or 1,800. So it's good. Yeah. Guys, this is the ticket. For Malaysia tomorrow, it was worth it to let $10 hotel go, which I booked in Tarakan. It's okay, it's fine. Else I would have to stay here one day extra, and there is nothing much to do. If there was something to do, I would have stayed. And maybe one day, I think in this area or Borneo, I will come back again. So we will explore more. But yeah, we got success in getting the ticket, and tomorrow morning we'll cross into Malaysia, inshallah, if nothing goes wrong, and let the $10 go. It doesn't matter. Let's go outside and find hotel for today. If I was a very tight budget traveler like 7 years ago, I would have spent my night in the ferry port right here. I would have slept here and washed my hands and face until I would have reached Malaysia. Hello. Yeah, good. No bhasa. No speak Indonesian. So, but nowadays only difference is that I go to local area, I go to offbeat areas, but I take hotels for night. That's the only difference. Before, I used to sleep on stations. I mean, I can do it even now, but it's fine. I have $5 or $10 to pay for hotel. So I remember old days, guys. Hey, I have slept at so many bus stations. It's crazy. Train station, bus stations, so many random places. I'm going for food. Let's hope for the best that we get vegetarian food. This is one of the government offices, I think so. Which office is this? Oh, cannot understand. But living around border towns is a thing in itself. You know, border towns have different vibes. For me, I get personally shocked, or what we will say in English, overwhelmed to stay near border towns. There is a lot of tension. People are always moving, especially in countries like Africa. It's always busy. I don't like border town so much. For me personally, I don't understand what's the need to have a border, but that's how the world is right now. The food place is not so far, and you can see the island is quite developed. I thought it would be like a village, but quite developed. Let's go. We have to go just a little more. No. Tourist. I'm only tourist. No live Indonesia. भाई मैं ऑरेंज जूस ले रही हूँ यहाँ पे, तो उसके लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. 10,000 का है, बट इन देशों में ना 2 संतरे डालते हैं और 50-60 रुपए ले लेते हैं. बट ठीक है. तो ये लोग यहीं के इसी एरिया के कालीमंतान के लोकल लोग हैं. मैंने पूछा इनसे, आप लोग यहीं क्यों? कहते हैं हाँ. ओके. या
Tidak pandai bahasa Indonesia.
नो.
Who are you here?
जालन जालन.
Jalan-jalan.
Yes. Foto?
Oh, coba nenek-nenek. Nenek apa tuh?
Oh, terima kasih. Yay. It's like kap khai or chap chai. They say something like this. It's literally fried vegetable, little bit in Chinese style, and rice. So for now, I cannot smell the meat. No, I don't smell the meat, at least for now. I hope it's vegetarian. Let me have dinner. Since morning I did not really eat much, just fried rice. So hungry. So this is juice, orange, rice and vegetable. The next day, let's finish this video right here. This was like my room, very basic, because it is right next to the ferry and it's almost 8:30. We have to go to cross Malaysia today, and I'll continue the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. Please make sure to share the video, and if you have not watched my previous videos about the documentary on Toraja tribe and Mentawai tribe, please make sure to watch those one also, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.